Good morning, student. I'm your assistant teacher, and today I'm going to teach you the third chapter of class 4, that is celebrating our diversity. Students, as you know, India is a land of diversity. People of different religion, food, language, culture, tradition, costume, and caste live here. So let's start the chapter.
Let's start the first part of chapter 3, celebrating our diversity. The students of DAB school was going to take part in inter-house celebration, and the theme was the Indian culture. Students of 6 houses of the school were ready with their presentations that highlighted the unique diversity of our country. They had carefully selected some special occasions that are celebrated in different parts of our country. Ganesh Chaturthi presented by Hansraj House. Ganesh or Vinayak Chaturthi is dedicated to the birth of Lord Ganesh, the god of good beginning, knowledge, success, wisdom, and the remover of obstacles. The festival is celebrated in the month of August or September, mainly in Maharashtra and in South India. People buy idols of Ganpati, then images were taken home, worshipped with kumkum, flowers, fruits, and sweets. After the celebration, the images were taken out in a procession for Visarjan. After a few days, they chanted Ganpati Bappa Moria, Purchu Varsi Lokaria. It means, Father Ganpati, come again, soon, next year. Students, do you know the great freedom fighter Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak made Ganesh Utsav a public celebration by inculcating a pride for Indian culture, music, poetry and dance. Navratri presented by Dayanand House. The Navratri celebration of Gujarat was presented with Garba and Dandiya Ras. Navratri is celebrated for 9 nights and goddess Durga is worshipped. The period is considered an auspicious time to start new ventures. In some places, people worship young girls as goddess Durga and offer them puri, halwa, chane and other gifts on the 8th day, that is on Ashtami. It is celebrated twice in a year. In West Bengal, Navratri is known as Durga Puja. Durga Puja is celebrated in puja pandals. After the celebration, the beautifully decorated idols are taken in a procession and immersed in a pond or a river. Children, do you know South Indian states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh celebrate Navratri as Bomai Kullu when they decorate their homes with dolls. Navratri and Durga Puja are celebrated as Dashera in northern India. The festival ends when the effigies of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghnada are set afire to celebrate the victory of good over evil. Now Eid ul Fitr presented by Vivekanand House. Eid ul Fitr is celebrated by Muslims at the end of Ramadan. Ramadan is a month long fasting when Muslims offer prayers, recite Quran, follow good behavior and donate for the needy. Eid ul Fitr is a day of joy and thanksgiving. It is also a day of forgiving and forgetting ill feelings towards others. The family elders give Eid presents or money to the youngsters as a blessings. The holy book of Muslims, the Quran, came into existence during this month. Now students, do you know the lunar calendar depends on movement of moon around the earth and the solar calendar depends on the motion of earth around the sun. Onam, the carnival of Kerala, presented by Gandhi House. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It marks the homecoming of legendary King Mahabali. It is celebrated in the first month of Malayalam calendar, that is Chingam. The highlights of Onam are Pokalam, floral rangoli, new clothes for the family, and a grand feast called Ona Sadhya. In this feast, various types of curries, kottu, papadam, pasam, rice, mango pickle, and coconut chutney are served. Snake boat races and Kathakali dance attracts thousands of tourists to Kerala. Students, there is a story of King Mahabali. King Mahabali was a demon king of Kerala. In his rule, people were very happy, prosperous, and lived in harmony. His rule came to an end when Lord Vishnu took the avatar of Vamana and pushed King Mahabali deep into the earth to destroy his ego. Because of his love of people, the Lord granted him a wish that he could visit his kingdom once a year, and that day is celebrated as Onam. So students, here is the picture of Onam festival. Do you know Pulukali dance? Pulukali tiger dance is a popular feature of Onam celebration where hundreds of men dressed as a tigers dance to the beat of drums. Now Navroj. Navroj presented by Sarojini House. Jamshed-e-Navroj is a Parsi New Year. It is celebrated on the first day of the first month of Shahanshai calendar. The festival celebrates rejuvenation and rebirth. On Navroj, the Parsis offer their prayers in a synagogue, the fire temple. Yes, synagogue is known as the temple of Parsis. They wish Sal Mubarak to each other and exchange gifts. The special feast of Navroj includes Faluda, saffron, pulao, and ravo made of semolina and dates. Students, do you know Parsis are small religious community of India. A major part of population lives in Mumbai and Gujarat. They are the followers of Iranian prophet Zoroaster. The holy book of Parsis is Zend Avesta. Now my first part is over. I hope you have learned a lot. Now I am giving you some difficult words to learn. First is celebration. Second is unique. Third is culture. Fourth is diversity. Fifth is knowledge. Sixth is obstacles. Seventh is presentation. Eighth is auspicious. Ninth is Onasatya. 10th is Pokalam. 11th is appreciation. And 12th is rituals. So students, learn all these difficult words at home. And students, this is the part 1 of this chapter. Now in my second part, I will discuss about the marriage celebration presented by Nehru House. Thank you.